Migrating to a new system? Still stuck on old systems and spreadsheets? Here's how DataLark makes data migration fast, accurate, and repeatable. We start with a legacy system, data exported into an Excel file. This file contains your master data, transactions, or configurations ready to be moved to the new environment. But here's the challenge. Formats don't match, values differ, and manual checks take days. That's where DataLark comes in. In DataLark, we define a migration project, connecting the source data, applying transformation rules, and mapping it to the target system, powered by pre-built migration templates and a wide range of native SAP plugins ready to deploy instantly. No endless manual adjustments, just high-quality, ready-to-load data, automatically profiled, cleansed, and validated for accuracy and compliance. Once the mappings are set, we run the project. DataLark processes the file, transforms the data, and loads it into the target SAP S HANA system, whether it's on-premise, public, or private cloud. Need to run this regularly? Simply set it to Run on Schedule. DataLark will monitor the folder, detect new files, and process them automatically, keeping your systems in sync, not just once, but continuously. The result, a reliable, automated migration from legacy data to modern systems, with full transparency, transformation control, and zero manual rework. DataLark, transforming your data journey.